Hello, Irwin Owls. It's hard to believe, but we have almost reached the end of May, and we are fast approaching the end of the school year. That means it's time for our annual Summer Splash Pep Rally. So while you are relaxing and having some fun this summer, what else could you do that would keep you entertained and help you continue to learn and grow over the summer? If you said reading, you are correct. Summer is the perfect time to enjoy some great books. But Miss Carter, you might say, why would I want to read? It's summertime. Shouldn't I just play all summer? There are so many great books to read and so many reasons to read them. Find a book that really captures your imagination or that makes you laugh out loud and read just for fun. Maybe you won't climb Mount Everest this summer, or go to space in a rocket ship, or go deep sea diving. But when you read about these things, it feels almost as if you're there. Reading is a great way to have amazing adventures without being chased by bears or getting frostbite. You can also read to travel. Maybe you're staying home this summer, but that's no reason you can't explore new and exciting places. You can read about another town, another country, another world. You can travel to outer space and other dimensions. You can travel into the past or into the future. Reading opens doors to anywhere you might want to go. Are there puzzles you are hoping to solve? Are there mysteries you would like to learn more about? Reading is the perfect way to delve into the unknown and sharpen your investigative skills. Maybe you're hoping to learn more about strange and unusual places in our world, from the depths of the ocean to ancient ruins to the top of the tallest skyscraper. Books can help you explore our amazing planet and the people who live here. Are you hoping to discover some interesting new facts? Learn more about science and the natural world? Reading will help you research any topic you wish. Most of all, read for you. Read to answer your questions and explore your interests. So now that we've talked about the fabulousness of reading, what is Summer Splash? Summer Splash is an incentive-based program designed to encourage you to read over the summer. What you read is completely up to you. You just have to track the hours you read on your tracker sheet. The hours you record will be turned back in at the end of the summer. But wait, did I say incentive-based? Why, yes, I did. What does that mean? That means there are prizes. For students who read at least 15 hours, you may choose a treat from the prize cart. Students who read 30 hours or more can get 30 minutes of extra Connect time in whichever Connect class they choose. Plus, those students will also be able to choose a treat from the prize cart. Students who read 50 hours or more over the summer will be eligible to take part in a pizza party. They will also receive 30 minutes of extra Connect time and be able to choose a treat from the prize cart. Those students who read 75 hours or more over the summer will receive not only all the prizes already mentioned, but also a $5 gift certificate to our fall book fair. Important dates. June 9th, Summer Splash begins. You may start tracking your reading time. Summer Splash will end on August 28th. Turn in your data tracker forms on August 29th. Please note, data trackers turned in after 12 p.m. on September 2nd are not eligible for prizes. No exceptions. In addition, there are double prize opportunities. Charlotte-Mecklenburg Public Library has a summer reading program called Summer Break. If you register for Summer Break, your reading for our Summer Splash program can also count toward prizes for the Summer Break program. Enjoy your summer and happy reading.